For Wednesday, July 6th workout. Okay. All right, gang, gather around for today's workout. Let me start over. What's a good grabber here? All right, everybody, gather around for today's workout. Today we have a 20-minute AMRAP that will be performed in teams of 2. Workout is 10 rope climbs, split amongst you and your partner, 10 total. 50 synchro walking lunges, 10 wall climbs, split between you and your partner, and then 50 hollow rocks that will be performed synchro. Okay, let's dive in. Stimulus-wise, my goodness, we're going long. All body weight in gymnastics. We have high rep in some of the movements, which will challenge our muscular stamina, and we have low work to rest in some of the more difficult gymnastic movements, like the pulling and the pressing through the wall climb. We do get upper body pull strength through the biceps, the lats in the rope climb. We also get upper body pressing strength and core strength in the wall climb. And then in the lunges, we're getting unilateral or left and right leg separately at stamina and endurance, as well as midline stamina endurance in the hollow rock. So that's what we're after in terms of the stimulus of the day. Now the target range for you and your partner is to complete 2 to 3 total rounds throughout the 20 minutes today. How that is achieved. Okay, let's break each movement down into sections. The rope climbs could be as quick as 90 seconds back and forth if you and your partner are ninjas, up to 2.5 minutes. The walking lunges could be as quick as 90 seconds, upwards again of 2.5 minutes. The wall climbs could be as quick as 90 seconds again, up to 2.5 minutes. And then the hollow rocks, again, 90 seconds to 2 minutes or so, okay? So we're looking for a 6 to 10 minute round per round, okay? That's the 2 to 3 rounds plus there. Now, adjustments. These are going to be particular, okay? Rope climbs. We're going to be going back and forth for 10 total, so that's 5 rope climbs at a clip inside of a 90 second to 2.5 minute bubble. So, couple thoughts. Option 1, we climb all the way to 15 feet or hand breaks the plane of the tiles. That's option 1. Option 2 is maybe like a 3/4 climb. Maybe we start to get fatigued. We could also alternate to preserve the rope climb. 1 progression. So lower ourselves down, pull ourselves back up, that's 1. And then the next time I'm up, I do a climb. So maybe that's monitoring my volume, okay? Now, if we don't have rope climbs in the tool belt just yet, or they go away, or we're working on building our strength, we have these sleds with ropes attached. I encourage gents 3 plates, ladies 2 plates, and your rope climb adjustment will be pulling that sled to you. When it gets to you, that's 1 rep, okay? Lunges, these are body weight today. We're gonna keep it at 50. However, if lunges are painful on the knees, we're gonna adjust to a box step up, okay? And that will happen. Partner 1 is doing a box step up, while partner 2 is next to them, lunging in place, matching cadence. No higher than 16 so we can keep the intensity and duration the way we want. Wall climbs. I will show you specifically out on the floor the adjustment, but it is an adjustment that will not only get you stability, slightly inverted of course, so you're upside down a little bit, and strength all in one, but not quite as demanding or challenging as a full climb. And then lastly, the hollow rocks. If this is a movement that can create back pain or irritate the back, we could try a hollow hold. You'll hollow hold as your partner works. We could also, if the hollow hold or just that position in general bothers you, I'll show you a cool adjustment that will be very challenging on the midline called a med ball stir the pot. Okay. Before we break out into our warm up, are there any questions? Okay, I liked the flow. I'll probably tweak some things a little bit there. I wonder how long that took. Good flow. I felt good about it. Good energy. Scan the room.